The SU-57 Felon is Russia's response to America's two stealth fighters, the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning. But unlike its elegant and quiet cousins, the SU-57 has a unique and disturbing characteristic: a spine-chilling, attention-grabbing, and question-raising high-frequency howl. The secret lies in its engines, the powerful NPO Saturn AL-41F1 engines. These beasts provide amazing thrust, but at the cost of noise. The engine's air intakes, called S-shaped ducts, are not completely shielded, allowing air to flow directly over the rotating fan blades. This creates a distinctive high-frequency howl, a sound never before produced by any jet engine. But interestingly, this howl isn't merely a strange feature, it actually has a purpose. The sound waves generated by the engines can interfere with radar signals, making the SU-57 more difficult to detect. This acoustic stealth adds an extra layer of invisibility to the Felon, making it more formidable in modern warfare.